Hello, everyone. This is Lelia from Rinpac. Are you still worrying about how to make your product stand out from the crowd?
Soft touch material is one of the most popular materials to make bags. The outermost material of soft touch bags is soft touch film, and most of them look like a matte surface. So it's a bit difficult to distinguish it from a matte bag just by looking at it with the naked eye. But when you touch it, you can feel the difference. And some soft touch bags can be a metallic surface. Soft touch packaging gives your product the ultimate feel of luxury. Not only is the feel of soft touch packaging like the most delicate suede you've ever felt, but its super matte finish renders colors amazingly well. Bright colors are brighter than with plastic. Blacks are deeper, and high contrast embellishments give the impression that your product is the best one around. Your packages will seem to leap off the shelf, leaving your competitors in the dust. For more questions, please feel free to contact me.
We'll be right here waiting for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.